It's also amazing today on the 16th of May 2025 and almost impossible to get inside.
Yeah.
But we did it. It's also an Inkoonkatu 37. It's also here in Alppiharju, Åsheden.
Yeah.
Close to the Linnanmäki Boivakken amusement park here in Helsinki, as far as Finland. It has been built in late 1983, finished 1984, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
December 6 to 97. That's alright, so I'll love the smell here.
So.
I love the sounds also.
Sorry.
The basement room was locked off.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much.
That's